Okay, we're gonna tighten the chain up on this Chinese four-wheeler ATV. Loosen these with is a 19 millimeter and 14 millimeter. So 14 on the outside and 19 inside, top and bottom. And just loosen it up and loosen this one up. It might be already loose. Put it in on this one. And there's two under the bottom down here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Loosen them up. Loosen these two up right here. Come down here, right here. See the one through here? My finger at? Right there. Gotta loosen that one up. On both sides. So let me get a wrench in there on it. There we go. Loosen it. It was that tight. Anyway, that might be a problem. It wasn't tight. Look at that. There's some loose right here. I don't think I need to even loosen this one. And so now, next thing I'm gonna do is and I'm using a 13 millimeter for the adjusting bolts and locking nut down here, right here. And got that back up on it. This one might be. Snug this locking nut. That way it ain't gonna come loose. There we go. Let's see. I think that's probably better than what it was.
Sounds like a predator is out there. Predator, you hear that?
Yep. Okay, let's lock this one down.
Uh-oh. It's coming for us.
Wow.
That's exactly what it sounds like. Uh-oh. Oh, listening to our conversation. Oh, there, Bill. That would be crazy.
Okay, now let's lock everything back down. I just lock the locking, put the locking nuts back on them and lock them back in. Now I'm gonna tighten the bolts back.